Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today the 15th of December. And we will continue to talk about the Euro, because Euro yesterday has shown really interesting price action. But in general, we have discussed yesterday this possibility that could really happen on the market due to strong resistance just above the 134 area. So what has happened yesterday? Market has reached 618 expansion from this ABC bottom pattern, and I said that market will trigger this target just above the previous high, so it could trigger the stops that has been placed just above this area. So that has happened. Market shows some piercing of this area of resistance. This is a strong area of resistance. Daily confluence 134.55, 134.60. Why this area is stronger than just a single Fibonacci resistance right here, for example? Because this is the combination of different Fib resistance from different reaction points. So this resistance 134.60 is 618 resistance from this high to this low, from this swing, and 134.55 is 382 resistance from this high to this lows. So these two different Fibonacci resistances coincides in the very tight range, and this calls confluence resistance. It's usually more stronger than just single resistance. So that has happened. Market turns to the downside. The first question is, will market show a deeper move to the downside, or it just a retracement after this strong move to the upside, and market can continue move to next target 100% expansion 136.22 is right here. Well, on the daily time frame we can't answer on this question, but in general I would like to show you something interesting. First of all, this target is not logical right now because this is beyond of the area of daily overbought. This blue line is the oscillator predictor, shows us level of overbought on the daily time frame. It's around 134.87 for today, and this target is beyond it, so it means that it's not very logical currently. Well, but look at this pattern: A, B, C, top. The nearest target from this possible pattern is 618 expansion around 129.96. that is very close to the target of the hourly butterfly cell that has been formed and completed yesterday during yesterday's price action. So currently we should to look at the possibility of will market move to the upside or to the downside as usual. The major question of the market: will we go to the upside or downside? Well, in general, if market starts to take out the previous lows, the C point around 131.57, it will mean that the move to the downside is more probable, because market will accomplish just 618 and move the deep retrace, shows deep retracement. This in general will be the bearish sign. Second, in this case, this pattern ABC bottom will be destroyed by the price action, because if market will take out the C point, it will be erased. So this pattern will be dominate in this case. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame from another point of view. This is the last swing on the daily time frame. Look at this: 132.85, 132.91. It's daily confluence support. Just below this area is weekly. This is weekly pivot point 132.71. So this is a very strong area of support currently, in market currently touch it. Then next support area 131.65, and weekly pivot support one right here. This is line dash line 131.22. So now market approaches to this strong area of support. So this is not the place to establish any short positions, because this is confluence support, this is weekly pivot point. Market, the normal price action suggests that market should bounce from this area a bit. So if you are bearish, you should wait for some bouncing from this area to the upside, then enter on some retracement from the last swing to the downside with stops just above these highs. If you are bullish, wait for the response of the market on this area of support. If market will show some strong move to the upside, you can enter on some retracement with stops just below this area or below this swing to the downside. This couple of moments to watch for, depending on from your view on the current market. Now let's look at the intraday chart. This is hourly chart on the market. Look at this pattern: A, B, C, top. 100% market has reached 618, 100% expansion precisely at area of daily confidence support and weekly pivot point. Well, yesterday I said that watch for sell signals in this area when the market can fail in this region. What does it mean? I said this could be the hourly head and shoulders pattern. So this almost has happened, although this is not very symmetrical, not very nice head and shoulders, but in general this is head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Besides, the head is precisely 1618 expansion from this high to this low, from this left shoulder. So this is very typical ratio for the head and shoulders pattern. Okay. Well, in general, the target of the head and shoulders pattern is 1618 expansion. According to the Murphy book, it should be the distance from the neckline to the head, and that should be count to the downside. Usually it's almost the same as the 618 expansion from the A, B, C pattern from the head and shoulders. But currently, again, market stands at very strong area of support. Daily confidence, our agreement with the daily confidence is also an agreement, and weekly pivot support. So wait for bounce from this area to the upside. Then possibly you can enter on the short side. If market will break this area to the downside, it will tell us how weak it is, because this is strong support and weekly pivot point. If market will move below the weekly pivot point, don't be long, don't establish any bullish positions. Well, in this case, if market will break it to the downside, yes, possibly market can show some retracement after the 1618, but this is not the fib support. This is just a logical private objective from this ABC's pattern. In this case, if market will move below the weekly pivot point, I think that the next target will be weekly pivot support 131.22, and in this case I suppose that market should take the previous lows. If market will hold there, then possibly we can say that the bulls are still in charge, and we can count on at least some move again to the daily confidence resistance around 134.60 area right here. So a couple of issues to watch for. Market now stands at the strong area of support. This will be the crucial area for the further move on the market. If market holds there, then possibly we can count on some bouncing at least to the 134.50, 134.60 area again. If it will fail there, then possibly the move to the weekly pivot support 1 around 131.22, at least to this area, will be more probable. But in general, if market will fail in this area and will take out the previous lows, this by the way the C point on the daily time frame, okay, then possibly we can count on the move to the 129.90 to the 130 area roughly. This is the target of the hourly butterfly sale that we have discussed yesterday. Also, this is the 618 expansion from the ABC, larger ABC swing on the daily time frame. Not this chart, on the chart ABC here, 129.96. So if market will take out the C point, then possibly this will be the next target.